Hello and welcome to Technology Layer. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install Oracle 12c, which is the latest release of the Oracle database on your Linux machine. I'll be doing this installation on a Red Hat based machine. So you can also refer this installation on Fedora, SUSE as well as CentOS. So most of the people find Oracle 12c installation or the Oracle installation on Linux a bit challenging and difficult, but let me tell you that installing Oracle on Linux is a very simple process if you follow all these steps properly. If you have done all the configuration and settings properly, you can install Oracle 12c on Linux very easily. So without wasting time, let's go to the installation. So you need to first log in with the root user on your Red Hat machine, and then the first step is you need to edit the host files. So the host files is present in etc/hosts. So let's open the host file first. So this is the location, and what you need to do is just copy this. I'll place all this thing in the description of the video, as well as I'll place this on my blog and give you the link in the description of the video. So this is nothing but you are setting an host name for the Oracle machine, so you can give this whatever you want. For the installation and the demonstration, I'm giving it as Oracle 12c. So just copy this and add a line to your etc host file, write the changes and quit. The second important step is you need to edit some kernel parameters. Oracle have some recommendation regarding the kernel parameters, so you can find the kernel parameters in the /etc file, and this is the file for the kernel parameters. So let's edit this file. So these are all your kernel parameters. What we'll do is we'll change the parameters. The first is the fs.file-max. So look if there is any fs.file-max here. No, we don't have. The second is the kernel.sem. It's also not there. No. Third is the kernel.sh minimum, so it is also not there. You have the sh_small, so this we can change. Just copy this and you can see this is a different value. So what I'll do is I'll delete this and insert a new value, and sh_max. So we are having sh_max also. So I'll delete this and insert sh_max, and you have, there are all different parameters. So we'll check this net core. This is also not there. You have all these things are not there. Net IPv4. No, we don't have any of this. We had only these two parameters. So what I'll do is I'll remove this and I'll copy all this thing into the kernel parameters file. So this, just append this. It is good. It's a good habit to comment all the new changes you're doing to the kernel parameters or any other configuration file. So I'll append all these things here. What you need to do is just save and exit this file, and to make these changes, to apply these changes, you need to run this command sysctl-p. So this is the command. So here you can see all of the parameters which we have added have been applied. And now the third step is you need to edit the limits.conf file. So what we are doing here is, this is a user Oracle, and for Oracle user we are giving a warning. We are setting a warning for the number of processes. So these are the number of processes. At this many number of processes it will issue a warning, and hard means it will not allow this much number of, it will not allow the Oracle to create this much number of processes or exceed this much number of processes. So just you need to copy this and open this file. So this is the file. So what I'll do is just enter this and add these things. Just save and exit this file. And the next step is you need to install some dependencies for the Oracle installation. So these are the list of dependencies for the installation. You can check if these are installed on your system or not. Most of them will be installed. So the command to check this is rpm-qa, and you can grab this. So you can see this dependency is installed. So you can use this command to check all the dependencies. And if you are having the access to the Red Hat repositories, or if you have created your own repositories, you can use this command yum install, then use -y to install these dependencies. Just fire this command one by one. You can also install this same by using this command if you don't have access to the RPM repositories and the package name. So you can use this command also for the installation, or either if you are having your own repositories or you have access to the RPM repositories, Red Hat repositories, you can directly fire the yum command. So what I have already done the installation of all the dependencies. So you also don't skip this step, because while you are running the installer, if you have not installed the dependencies, you have to install it at that time, but don't forget it to install all the dependencies. So we'll move to the next step. Next step is you need to add groups and users for the installation of Oracle. So the first group which we are going to add is oinstall, the second is DBA, and the third is the operation. So I'll install the groups one by one. So let's add a second group, and we'll add this third group also. Now we need to add a user. So for this we are adding a user Oracle, and we are assigning oinstall as the primary group and DBA and Opera as the secondary group. So let's copy this command and just install. So just add a user Oracle. The second thing is you need to give a password for the Oracle user. So give a password. So your password is set. Now the next step is you need to edit the limits, this nprocess.conf file, which is present in the etc securities limits.d. So we'll go and edit this file. Just what you need to do is open it in the editor, and what you need to do is remove this one, remove this, and you need to add this. You need to remove this line and you need to add this one. Just save this and exit. And the other thing is you need to set the SELinux. So we'll set the SELinux to disabled. So the file is etc, it's sysconfig and SELinux. So here you can see SELinux is already disabled. So if it's not disabled here, if it's enforcing permissive, you can change this. You can select it as enforcing is permissive and it's disabled, so it's already disabled. So I'll just come back and we'll proceed to the next step. You need to stop the firewalls. of the Linux. So the command is service IP tables stop. And another thing what you need to do is you need to off the firewalls from the startup. So this is the command config IP tables off. So if when your system restarts, it will not up your firewalls, it will be already off. So it's already added now. The next important step is you need to create the directories for the Oracle installation. So you need to create a base directory, a home directory and a base directory. So let's create the directories for the Oracle installation. So our directory is created. You can see here the Oracle directory is created, but the ownership of this needs to be changed. So we'll change the ownership of the Oracle directory to Oracle as the user and oinstall as the group. So you can change and also modify the directory. So now the next step is you need to fire this command xhost plus and the next important step is you need to edit the bash profile of the Oracle user. So I'll change the user to Oracle, and here I'll edit the bash profile. So this is the file. So I'll add a different line for the Oracle installation. And copy this thing. So here is the host name which we have set up in the hc-host file. This is the Oracle unique name. This is the SID for the Oracle. That's the Oracle base directory which we have created previously, and this is the Oracle home, the Oracle base plus the home directory. So you have added the bash profile. Now to apply the changes to the bash, type this command /bash _profile. Here you have done changes. Now the next important step is you need to download the Oracle software, the Oracle database software from the Oracle website. So this is the link from where you can download the Oracle database. You need to have an Oracle account for this. So in the download section you can find the different downloads. Here is for the Linux x86 64 which you have to download. There is for Microsoft Windows for the Oracle Solaris. So you need to download both the files. Just accept this and download both the files. I've already downloaded this file. So let's proceed to the So till now we have finished all the configuration and the parameter changes. So with the previous step, if you have downloaded the Oracle installer, what you need to do is you need to go to the Oracle user, switch to the Oracle user, and I have kept this in the home directory. So these are the two installation files which you will be getting with the Oracle installer. So you need to unzip this file. Just type the command unzip. So I'll unzip the first file. Now I'll install the second file. Extract the second file. Once your file is extracted, you will get a folder named as database. Inside your database folder, you will have all the necessary installation file. So let's start with the installation of the Oracle. So before beginning with the installation of the Oracle, there is one command which I forgot to mention, is the xhost plus. So just type in this command xhost and the plus symbol. So this will disable your x11 security, and we will run the installer now. So to run the installer, the command is // and the installer name. So just run the installer. So this will check this will do some prerequisite checks, and then our Oracle installer will be initialized. So let's wait till the installer is initialized. So now just uncheck this box and click next. Ignore this warning and click on yes. Skip the software updates and click next. Ignore this warning, and here you have three different types of installation. The first one is it will also create a database and configure a database with the installation. The second one, you have the install database software only. This will only install a database software and it will not configure a database. And third one is the upgrade. So select the first one and click next. Select the desktop class. If you're installing it on a server, you can select this option. I'll select the desktop class and click next. And here once again, what you need to do is you need to make sure that the values which you have entered into your bash profile, so these values, your Oracle base, your Oracle home, should match the values here. So that's your Oracle home. You can select the edition. I'll select the enterprise itself. Leave this as it is. Give an administrative password for your Oracle account. Click next. Ignore this warning, and here we will change the path of the Aura inventory as /Oracle. Click next. Ignore this warning also, and click on install. You can click on install to install, or you can save a response 5 for the silent installation. So I'll click on install here. Here your Oracle database installation has been started. We'll wait till all the things are finished, and then we'll proceed to the next step. Now you need to run 2 scripts from the root user. So these are the scripts. This is the path where the scripts are there. So let's run this script. Go to the path. And the next path is this one. You need to run the script also. There is the root.sh. These are some startup scripts. So it will ask you part of the local bin directory. Leave this as it is and press enter. So your 2 scripts are finished. Now click on OK, and now your Oracle software installation is complete, but now your Oracle database assistance will start. So from there we can create a database also. So let's wait. So once your database creation is complete, you can see the system identifier name is .oracle and the global database name is this. And you can go to the password management and you can change the passwords also. You can see there are different types of accounts here. And once it is finished, you can click on OK. So this finishes your Oracle database installation. Just close this. So after finishing the installation, we can test the Oracle have been successfully installed or not. So from the Oracle user you can type in SQL plus. So now you can give the username here. I'll log in from the sys user, enter the password which you have given while installing. So here you can see you have connected it to the Oracle 12c Enterprise Linux database. So this shows that we have successfully installed the Oracle database on the Linux machine. I hope this has been informative for you, and I'd like to thank you for viewing. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel Technology Lab for the latest tips, tutorials on Linux, Android, Oracle and Telecom. Once again, thanks for watching.